Good evening, all my friends, all my brothers, my sisters, my loved ones, and all my Biafran people. You're a very good friend, your sister, and your loved one. Purity, I've come again today. Although THC can be a poor, Newutem, Otagaki had a Wutem. Imanane, me had a member for the fear, a naturanya, or for the fear, it will look as if that thing is important, but it's very important. But one thing I want to tell everybody that is watching this video, that you should please try to bear with me, because I will speak in so many people, Pidgino, anyone, so that people that we understand, we also understand. Because there are some certain things that I usually see, and each time I saw this thing, I won't be, it doesn't make me happy. There's something I saw 3 days ago when I went to the market to buy some items. So what task force, what they were doing, you know that at times you will see these petty traders that are selling something. Many of them use those things. Both people that are selling okereka, are selling orange, are selling abacha, are selling clothes, are selling shoes on the streets. I know it's not good, but at times we should think of the other way. The other way I'm talking about, when you think of the riches and you think of the poor ones, those ones are sitting on top of our money, using a biro to steal our money in government office. We should also remember that there is poor ones in this Nigeria. There is poor ones that barely eat, that barely feed themselves, take care of their families. Because sometimes you will see all these small kids, you will see them selling or walking on the streets, selling oranges, pure water, ice water, sugar, and all those things. That is where they get money to feed themselves, pay their school fees, pay their house rent, take care of themselves, which you government hardly do for them, which you government hardly provide enough for your citizens. You always put something on internet that you help these people, you help so people, you help so people, but you forget there is so many work that you people supposed to do, starting with taking care of those petty traders, those people that are hawking on the streets, on the main road, those people that are barely feed themselves. It's no good. I saw somebody yesterday, 4 days ago, selling something, okreka, on the road. Not that the person is starting at the center of the road, but nearby shop. The so-called government came and threw their things away and packed the one they pack and put inside their bus and left. Let me ask you one question, people, and these people that will watch this video, or if I say people that are watching this video. If you find your mother, find your sister selling something on the streets, hawking on the streets to feed themselves, will you be happy? If you find your own mother selling pure water on the streets, will you be happy? I think you are sitting on top of money there, using biro to steal government money, using biro to steal our money. We are still the same people that are making the money that you people are stealing. We are still the same people that are making the money that you people are trying to prison us. You will go and pack the items that the people are selling, that they are breaking the law. What of those ones that are using biro to steal our money? Is it not the same law they are breaking? What of those people that are using uniform to collect 20 naira, 10 naira, 15 naira on the road? Is it not the same law they are breaking? Are they not paying them salary? Why are they still collecting bribe? And you see the ones that are busy using their sweat to feed their family. You go and throw away whatever they are selling. You go and pack it for them to come and pay because they break the law. This thing you people are doing is not good. What do you want? I will see some people, they will be posting people they helped, people that they picked on the streets. What of those ones that if you go to the market, you find that there are so many kids there that are looking for who to help them, that are looking for who to help them pay their school fees, that are looking for who to help them to take care of them. But when you help one person, you post it on the net, and you forget that even that one person that you help is not even enough. When you see somebody, we heard that there's somebody they put on the net that or that is talking, a governor will come out and say he wants to help that person. How many is it only that person that you see that are walking on the streets, that other they post on the net that you see that you can help? What of the ones that are called themselves poor widows? What of the ones that are called themselves poor traders? The ones that are walking on the streets, what have you done to help them? If you come in your state, gather the whole widows, gather the whole hawkers, give them money so that your states, you will know that you are helping your people. It's not when you see somebody they post on the net, you will not try to go to the family to go and try to give scholarship to show that you're governing your state very well. When you have a lot of works to do by helping others, and it is very difficult for you to help them. When you will send your task force to go and start collecting people's items that are walking on the streets, that are using it to feed themselves, then why can't you stop those task force? Why can't you stop those police? Why can't you stop those people that are harassing people that are making money where they get money to feed themselves? This is where they pay their school fees. This is where they buy food to eat. This is where they pay their hospital bills and pay their house rent. How many governors have tried just in 1 year, you bring out a time and gather all the whole widows, and gather all the whole hawkers, all the whole children that are hawking on the streets, and gather all those petty traders? How many governors have done that and give them money? Use this thing to go and sort your problem. It's only when it comes to election, you remember that there are so many people you need to help. After the election, you back up. This thing you people are doing, you're just cheating yourself. You're just deceiving yourself. It's not good. You only knows how to use biro to steal from government. But when they catch an armed robber, you will go and say that they should kill him, take him to court, judge him, bury him, do this and do that. And you forget that when you are trying to destroy people's items, people's sweat on the streets, that you are giving them more encourage to go and continue stealing. Because when you destroy people's items, what they are selling to take care of their family, when they don't have any source of living, they can easily go and start stealing, robbing people. And you will still be the one to send army, police to go and start looking for them. But when they find something good doing for themselves, it will be very difficult for them to go outside and steal, because when you leave your house 7 o'clock in the morning, come back in the evening 7 o'clock, it will be very difficult for you to stand up and start looking for who to steal their items, except those ones that are very wicked. If you find yourself something that keeps you very busy, you won't have time to steal. If you find yourself something that makes you to get more money, to take care of your family, to have peace in your home, you will not have that time to start looking for gun to go and shoot. It's very easy for them to start catching criminals, but it's not easy for them to provide shelter for the poor ones. It is not easy for them to help those hawkers on the streets, but it's very easy for them to go from one house to another house to go and look for people that they put their children on the net because they don't like their condition. Their conditions are not good. When you have so many children inside the market, helping their family inside the market, trying to help their family to get source of living, this thing that you people are camouflaging is not good. It's not good. You people should stop it. It's not good. Try to help people. Try to help. Show how you are governing your state in a good way. That money that many of you are stealing from government seats, use it also to do something for the poor ones. It's only when during the election will come that you know that they will be giving 1 bag of rice, 2 bags of rice, 3 bags of rice, 10 bags of tomato and so on. But when they get that seat, they will go back to their home and sit down and start looking for those people that are criminals, armed robbers, and start sending people to go and capture those ones that are hawking on the streets, that this thing they are doing, they are selling is no good, as if you provide shop for them. You will see in a state, they will demolish markets that people are getting their source of living. They will demolish it. And when they build that market back, they will not top the shop rent. 300,000 for just a kiosk shop. 500,000 just for a small shop. 1 million naira for just a small shop. So the poor ones who doesn't have money to provide for that amount, they should go and die. And you that are sitting there collecting from the same poor ones are using it to cut yourself and building estates in Holland, in London, in US, in many places, buying lands. And tomorrow you come out and say you have done this for your people, you have done that for your people. You people are just liars. They will send people to go and start destroying hawkers items. This thing is what landed some people into problem a few years ago in Abuja. After hawking on the streets, a guy that is selling ice cream was just going on his way. They came and packed his ice cream and his machine and land inside their vehicle. And that guy decided that vehicle will not leave from that place. The guy told him that as long as he did not steal and he did not rob anything, he did not do anything that is offensive, that he is not going to leave that place, that vehicle will not leave. They not think that the guy is joking. At the end of the day, their vehicle, the task force vehicle, he did not leave that place. And the guy told them there that when the father died, he promised his father he will never ever steal from anybody. But he will make sure that he worked very hard to feed himself and to feed his family. But the little one that is making to provide food for himself is what task force came to collect, that he committed an offense, that he have to face the law or pay for it. The guy now proved to them who he is. That vehicle did not leave that place till the task force, they now carry all those things, all his machine, his bicycle, and all his ice cream and everything, and drop on the ground, tell him to go, before the guy now left and packed his thing and left that place. That was when the task force vehicle starts moving. Because some people think you're intelligent. You will see somebody that will try to help himself out. Somebody that is trying to feed his family. You will not have the conscience. You will still open your mouth and say that the person is committing an offense, when the person did not steal. He did not murder anybody. It's just the source of his own income. You can destroy the person's item that is committing offense. Which offense? You that is stealing there, you're not committing offense? Eh? You that is stealing, you're not committing offense? And that is why I like what Hushpuppi did. He did not commit offense. After all, he used his own brain and his own internet to work his own business. But you people are using Biro to steal your own in the office. Eh? This thing that people are doing is not good. You should change. Change, you know. Now, don't know. Unu ga fu nwatakịrị amụrụ nwatakịrị kadi 12 years 10 years ọ na-ere ahịa n'ụzọ unu ya nyere ya aka n'unu fu nke akpọsa n'ịntanetị nyere onye aka unu agbaraga nyere onye ahụ aka unu gọvanọ unu na-ejije nyere onye ahụ aka minister of information the governor of the state general onye nka senator a na-ekeje help all the person unu nwe ndị ga-enyere aka n'ụzọ unu nwe ndị ga-enyere aka n'ahịa unu nwe ndị ga-enyere aka na be ha ndị ogbenye ni aka nkụ widows ni aka nkụ ụmụnne nwere nna nna ka nkụ. Ọ bụ na otu nsenyere ndị agha na-epost n'ịntanetị aka n'ụtaka nsenyere ụmụ ogbenye ma ndị widows aka ọ bụ Naịjirịa ya na-adị mma. Ọ ya na-adị mma mana biko sunu nwere unu na-enyere aka. That is why things na dị very very difficult. Emuru a na-akpọ ndị ọzọ ndị oshi unu pụta na-eje na-ewere ihe na-abụrụ ihe kwesịrị ka o mee unu hapụ ọ na-eme. Onye zuo oshi agbagbuo ya, onye gbuo mmadụ egbuo ya. all these people na-eme ihe ahụ ha na-eme wit na ọ dịra ha mma mana ha na-eme bikos na ha chọrọ ka ahụ ike fie ji enyere ndị ụmụnne ha aka izụrụ ha aka ọgwa ndị ochie ahụ efuru unu na-eji ejide na-eji agbagbukwa dị ọgwụ ndị ogbenye ọgwa ha na-eme ezutekwe ha na-enyekwa ma ndị ogbenye mana unu anara ama ha na-eme ha zute ha na-enyekwa ma ndị ogbenye jikwe na-enyere ndị nke ha enyere aka na be ha betu n'ụwa na-enwe unu zute unu afesi ezinụlọ unu zute unu enyere onwe unu aka unu zute unu were na-eme investment for your families emuna na-akpọ ndị ọzọ ndị ori unu ji bayere ezu oshi na gọọmenti unu ji bayere ezu oshi na steeti ebe ahụ n'ụlọ onye hipụ ego na-efuru unu ga-eje many of these governors all these senators na-efu ebe ha hipụrụ millions of naira many of them enweghị bank na enweghị account na this Nigeria many of them have accounts in outside the country where they hide our money tomorrow you see private jets and when you see somebody post on the net jide si kije nyere aka ma be nna gị ụmụnna gị ụmụnne gị nwa ndị na-enyere aka akpaga aka n'ọnụ iko that na you help so people ma ndị ga-enyere aka ka nkụ n'ime ahịa ma ndị ga-enyere aka ka nkụ na street onwe ihe mmadụ ga na-eme ihe na-afụ like this ọ na-ewute gị akpọrọ hot copy onye oshi o mere nke a o millions of ihe ahụ o mere dị mma onye fụzọ ya esi ihe wee rie orie bikos unu gọọmenti nọ n'oche unu na-ezu na-eri unu gọọmenti nọ n'oche unu ewere baịbụl na-ezugbu anyị n'ohi ihe ahụ hot copy mere dị mma ọmaka ọ dị mma ọfụma bikos na o mere nke meti ọfụma ọ daa ụda n'ụwa niile mana unu nwa na-ezu ukwu unu silent anyị na-eme unu zute silent unu ahụ ejide unu ejido unu ana nga mana o mere nke open ọ chọghị ịma ma dịkwa proud of it ọ dịrị izu mana unu nke bụ na ozuzuo ndị ọzọ mana unu na-ezuzuo n'obodo unu zụgbu ma ndị unu na-achị unu ga-emepe unu ga-etikpa ahịa niile na ha ya ezu ahịa ma azụ na ya etikpa ahịa ya emechi ahịa ka arụgharị ahịa maka ndị ogbenye arụchazi ahịa bie ya 500,000 1 million naira 200,000 ndị ogbenye na-enwere ego ha ji eweta a ji enote onwe ha anya a ji enye onwe ha nri achọje kpọsawazi tebụl ka e wee na-enwe nke eji erite nri ma kpọsazi tebụl a gị bụ onye kpọrọ onwe gị onye ọgaranya fide na akpa gị ejugo ije ghasa ihe niile ọ tara afọ n'ime arụ na gbukwa unu ebe ahụ Amadioha nna nna unu na-egbu unu kpee unu ikpe na ana ndị mmụọ emuna akpọ onwu na ezigbo mmadụ emuna akpọ unu buru convoy na-agagharị ebe niile unu buru convoy unu na-agagharị the whole places ekwu aha na unu na-achị obodo na-achịta obodo na ọfụma na Enugu steeti ụzọ adịrị ya Enugu steeti nkịtị kọmba na ezigbo ụzọ adịrị ya ezigbo ụzọ adịrị ọfụma ị na-aga galop ife na-eru ebe ị na-eje galop emebisiere gị moto mana enyi eburu ebe dị mma arụtara ọfụma seti ya n'ịntanetị Enugu steeti is doing work very well which work when there is no road gọvanọ ọbụla na-eweta na Enugu steeti na-ebu ụzọ dozigodo Enugu steeti ọfụma ebugodo ụzọ dozie ụzọ ọhịa eji ama gọvanọ ọbụla bata na Enugu steeti ha na-eburu ụzọ edozigodo ụzọ dozie etiti okporo ụzọ ebe ndị mmadụ na-aga ma na ihe a bụ ebe esi aga mana kịta na ụzọ from Ugbolafọ to 90 mile mmebi from 90 mile to Ọnịcha ụzọ adịrọ dị ya ihe eji na-ekwu ihe a bụ na many governors unu nete obodo n'anya nete n'obodo n'anya unu kwụsị ihe unu na-eme na nwere uru ọba kwụsị ihe unu na-eme na nwere uru ọba ọ bụrụ onye ịpụta iko onwe gị ikochi onwe gị onweghị ihe ekote onwe gị ihe unu na-eme na ọ dọrọ mma atọ a na-eme ichi obodo gị chite obodo gị ọfụma onye chi contest for election ọpụta kwuo ihe ezigbo ihe ọ ya emere n'obodo okwuchie owinye ọ na-akpuo ụmụ nwaanyị agbọghọ mụtazi na-apụta na-eto gọvanọ ha na steeti na on the net etoche gọvanọ ha ka enwe ike wee nye ha pozishọn n'ọfịs ọhịa ụfọdụ pụtazi kịta etoche gọvanọ na nwere ihe ọ na-arụ ka enwe ike wee nye pozishọn n'ọfịs kwụsị na ihu na-eme na onwere uru ọbara uru nyeru n'obodo unu aka n'otu esi eme nyeru n'obodo unu aka onye pụta na-eto na ya na-eme nke o nwere ihe ya afọ ọ na-eme ọ dịkwa ka ọra m n'ọnụ ọkwa onye mụọ nwa ihe m na-ekwu onye mụghala nwa mụta nke ọ na-eme ọfụma okene chie eme unu akwụsịkwa n'ihe unu na-adị na-arụ onye mmụọ mụta nke ihe ọ na-eme ọfụma echi okene chie mana mgbe ị mụtazi nwa nke ganaghị eme ọfụma ịkpọrọ ụwa niile na nwa ganaghị eme ọfụma kedu aka gụwa mere wee ka nwa ahụ ike nyere onwe ya aka this is why ị na-adị na-afụ so many of these our ministers governors generals many of these big men children many of them misbehave ọ bụ because of them too much of ego nna ha na-expend n'isi ha bụ ihe na-arụ ha ọrụ n'isi too much of ego nna ha na-expend bụ ihe na-agbaghara anyị afụ ụmụ ogbenye ya menyere ụmụ ogbenye aka mana erute ebe nwa nke fa nọ fenyere nwa nke fa aka emu na akpọ onwe unu datụ n'ụwa ezigbo mmadụ gwara nwere ezigbo mmadụ n'ụwa akwakọrọ m n'ọnụ ka m na-esikwu ka m si kwuo onye makwara asụ ya sụọ n'ikwe onye na-amarakwa na-asụ ya sụọ n'ala okwukwe na ga-esụta nwo n'ala esụọ n'ụkwụ gị ọkwakọrọ m n'ọnụ ka o mesịa anyị ngwa ka ọ dị